Oh no, I'm all good, thank you. Trying to make it look like more work.
I know I've probably messed up your whole,
No, not at all.
your whole thing now. Some old lady comes along and says, do you want some help?
I appreciate the offer. That's being a good neighbor. At least we cleared it. Okay. The day has finally come. Streethunter number 8. Officially sponsored by Mr. TJ Hunt himself. TJ, appreciate you, man. I don't know why we waited so long, guys. But yeah, let's not keep you waiting any longer. Let's do this. Dancing on the My neighbor right across the street just asked if we needed any help, but I just told her I was just adding drama to the scene, making this seem harder than it looked. I should like go on out. What the heck? What's up, buddy? What? Oh, what's up, what's up? Set up the box on the bin. I'm gonna set this down to make it look like it is sitting on the Supra, like right there, so we can take our thumbnail shots. Let's open up this box. I think Gohan wants to see the box opening. I'm gonna let him out quickly. Yeah, right here. This is all. Okay? Just chilling. Look, we got a new wide body. Look at this, dude. Look at this. I'm gonna just take everything out one by one. So our spoiler's number 8, but the official kit is actually lucky number 13. See, I told you it was hot. Now you want to go back inside. Well, that's a lot of pieces. Plus they hooked it up with a free shirt. Okay, so I lied. We're actually number 13. Our spoiler is number 8, so I'm guessing there were a few kits ordered before ours that opted for no spoiler. And also, I think we're still waiting for Simon. Last night he called me around 2 a.m. saying that his car was overheating in Kamloops, which was only 3 hours away from Vancouver, but then he decided to just drive back and bring a different car. What's funny is the FRS is actually the second car Simon's wide-bodied. Since then, he's wide-bodied so many more cars. Definitely well over the double digits. So I'm just gonna quickly bring the Supra to the new garage since we gotta bring it there anyway. And then I'll bring the XB back. So we have a car that has a little more space in it. Hello. What's up, dude?
What's way?
Tiz. Yo, what's up, Larry? I mean, Alpha, what's up? How's it going, guys? What, you're taking the wrap off your car?
Yeah.
A new color? What's up, Larry?
No, I'm gonna sell the car.
Oh, no way! Yeah. Upgrade, maybe? Is it gonna be a dad car?
Yeah. a van, you know, minivan.
Oh, really? Sienna?
Sienna.
Yeah. You can still have fun with those, man.
Yeah, I know.
Sky blue Tesla. Alright, this is what we came to ape for. More stickers.
Driving around in California, looking for something to make me stay.
Hi there. Hi. Okay.
Are you overeating yet?
I am, yes.
Good. So I'm running for re-election October 18th.
Okay.
So hopefully I can.
Oh, right on, man. No problem, Sean. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
So my daughter will love that. She souped up her car too. Right?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, she's 20. So she's into all that stuff.
Yeah, that's it, man.
Is that yours too?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Enjoy,
Take
man.
care.
You too. Have a good day. Yeah. Surprised everything fit in there, man. That Thule box really came in handy. All right, that's from Sean, the new ward of this area. Happy doggy. This is actually the front splitter. So we might end up replacing the one we're rocking right now. Plus this is getting pretty beat up already. I just got word from Simon saying he might be arriving around 4 a.m. so that might be a little too late for us to get started. But in the meantime, we can test fit the kit. It's just last night when he got back from his little Subi mishap, he just took a chill pill, passed out because he was still feeling the fatigue from his recent vaccine shot, so I don't blame him. All right, give you one more last look at its phase 1 body. Nothing too crazy. Front lip, small drop on HKS adjustable springs. We got the AGs finished in gold bullion. Of course, some carbon fiber aero. This is all TRD. Got the rear apron TRD in the back as well. Like I said, I think the reason why we have the number 8 spoiler and not number 8 kit is because I think some people who ordered the kit before I did decided not to go with the wing. So that's why they don't match. But that's okay. I might not even be running this wing. Because our other sponsors, Battle Arrow, sent us something. Come on, guys, if you know me by now. Just open these all up and get started. Well then. Well guys, here's the full Streethunter kit laid out. First of all, the packaging, immaculate. You guys did a good job over at Streetfighter. Now we're just gonna unwrap them and we'll test fit one side, see how this fits. And also, I'm looking at it now. Where's that? This side. Check this. I might not even have to replace the evasive fender. Or even cut it. It looks like it'll fit perfectly. But there's only one way to actually find out, so let's put this on. With tape, of course, just for now. Mmm. Fucking delicious. Hey, only I can kiss and lick this. What the fuck? Okay, you can too. Come on, come on. No! Let it down. Okay, okay.
I understand what it's going for.
Me too. I get it. Oh, what's up, Jeff? Best friend. Your friend here now. Your friend here now. Oh, guys. Just the beginning. Pretty subtle up front. They went conservative, but I think the rear is a little wider. I could be wrong. Actually, no, I know I'm right. I kind of test fit it, but this piece right here, I'm gonna have to take off the rear apron just to fit it. But I'm thinking, because we do everything custom in this garage, I'm gonna be cutting the bottom part of this so we can still make the TRD apron fit. Yeah, actually looking at it, the rear is a little bit wider, sticks out a little more. I'm saying 2-inch space around the rears should be enough, and then the front, maybe we can get away with 25 mil? We'll see. We'll play around. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. I like saying that. That's not bad, bro. Look at that fitment. Now this part, we gotta flex it down a little bit, so we'll probably end up starting on one side. And then obviously right here, it's not flush yet because we actually do have to start cutting just to make this rear apron piece fit. Yeah, you'd have to cut the fender just by a little bit on the bottom here, man. So if I want to run these fenders, so if I want to run these evasive fenders, I still have to cut it. To save the piece, because I'll end up selling it, I'll probably revert back to stock. But this is just to see. Yeah, the thing about this kit too is they made space for you to be able to still jack up your car. But damn, man. Woo! That looks sick.
Yeah, it looks good, man. And the
good.
fitment's nice.
Yeah, exactly. Good fitting kit. Well done, Streethunter. Let's quickly throw on the other side, get our contents, and probably call it a night. Because again, Simon's not gonna be here until 4 a.m. No use in waiting for him because we're probably gonna be tired by then. That's it.
Oh shit. That's cool.
Well, what do you guys think? The kit itself fits really nicely. And I've decided we're gonna keep the rear TRD aprons. They're gonna look like that. So either we cut a piece of the Streethunter kit or maybe use the Dremel tool. Cut a groove right there so the kit fits perfectly. But yeah, adds a little more flair in the rear. Just because it's missing something there. I feel anyway. But yeah, give you guys a quick look around the car because it's not gonna look like this for long. What's up? Soon, go on, soon.
But you have like 2.8 lens as well.
I really like how the front fits, how the lip actually attaches to the kit itself. I think it completes it a little more. Probably wouldn't change too much on the front. We might add some side splitter because I don't like how that kind of just goes in there. I mean, it adds to the shape of the body. And then, yeah, the rear's a little wider than the fronts, but you guys get a gist. Obviously, this has to be pushed back a little further, but it actually sits really well down here. So maybe it's the top part that has to line up. We'll figure all that out when Simon gets here.
Yeah. I am fatigued, I give it my all with the music. People do not recognize the passion I have for the craft. The effort I'm giving with every line that I write. A ridiculous life is affecting my content. All of the sins that would sit on my conscience. Insecurities that I am possessing. Why is my depth in a constant obsession? I am reflecting. Think about the life that I chose in the path.
Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna end this video. Really just wanted to test fit the Streethunter kit. And honestly, it fits really well. For some parts, we actually have to do some cutting for it to fit super proper. But we'll wait until Simon gets here. Well, we only have like not even less than 10 days to get this thing ready for the first car show in Calgary, which is Driven. July 24th. They're actually gonna be holding it at a new venue outside. It's gonna be like a multi-level parkade. South Center, I think, for Calgary locals.
Crunch time.
Yeah, crunch time. It really motivates you to work a little harder. When you're given a deadline, I guess that's usually how it works. But yeah, the kit itself, man, looks so good.
Yeah, it does.
So I think we're just gonna end this video for now, guys. If you wanna get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button and notification button ticked. Leave some good vibes in the comments. And if you have any questions, I'll try to include some of them in my next Q&A, so watch out for that. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next vlog. I think we're just gonna quickly self-tap it in and call it a night. You know, make it easy for ourselves and just boom.
TikTok cinematics be like.
Dude, that was your phone.